last couple of people coming through, and we'll make sure we're ready to go. We've got a bid. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm in your hands looking to go from there. Wasn't fair and reflow opening start, ladies and gentlemen. $700,000 up and running nice and quickly now. $700,000 we go. At 20 on top, we'll take straight back and hold it here now. Give you time. 40 we say. At 740. At 740, got the bid at 740 on our right hand side. At 740, 110. You can't buy 50. Okay, we'll take the 10 if we're going 10s. 50 do I say 760? 750. And not say 60 to me. At 760, sir, it's against you at 70 now. 70 if you like. At 770. 765, sir. We take it north from there. I'll give you every opportunity at 770. At 765, we're bid. 780,000. I'm holding the bid. We'll go north from there at 790. At $780,000 then. First call. First call. You give me a few more of those, we'll be at 3 million before you know. But it's all right. 780. Now do I say 790? 790 she says. I'll take it back on top at 8 if you like. I'll hold it now at 8 bid. At 8 we go. At 8 we bid, ma'am, it's against you at 810. 800's we bid. At 5. 805 we bid. 805, what do we say? 810. Welcome in. 810. $810,000 we say. 15 we go. Get back in on top. 20? At 20 we say. At 820. 820. Yep. The current situation as well. At 820,000.
You paid 5,000?
I'll cook you dinner. There goes a good 25. At 825. At 825. I think I got away with that quite well. 25 is where I'm big. 830? 830 we have. At 830. At $830,000 first call. Done that, you've been up about $1 million so far. Hold the keys for a bit longer. 835.
83.1.
1,000, I don't mind. We'll take a 1. Do I say 2, sir? Do I say 832 on top? 831 if we go to 1, put them on the bank card, worry about it later now. 8 against you now, 832 if you like. At $831,000 then, 3 opportunities. At 831, first call. You can come back in front at 832. 832. Come back strong, come back bold, give me 835. Let's see where we go from that. 835, good move. 835, I did the same, do I go 840 for you? Happy to take it back up again. Did you go just that little bit stronger? Perhaps I couldn't. But at 836, 836, do I say 40, ma'am? 6 we're bid now, do we say 837? 840. Bold bid, sir. Good move. 845, you can do exactly the same back. 840. 840 we have. 900 might be too much. 845. 840 is against 1,000 more. 3 quick opportunities. At $841,000 then. First call. 841, second call. At 841 we've been third and final time. Well, I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to pause things for a second if I can. I'm just going to let things just settle. I'm going to go and seek some instructions from my owner, and I'll be making sure I come back out here very, very quickly. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much indeed for your patience. We appreciate it. It is a big decision, and the decision, obviously, in speaking with the owners, is that they are happy to sell here this morning. We are putting the property on the market. We are selling out here. Now we're on the market here. 841 is my highest bid on my left-hand side, but now is not the time to walk away. So make it nice and easy for you. I'll give you 3 opportunities. At 841,000 we go. First time of asking. At $841,000 I am bid. Second time of asking. At $841,000 then, ladies and gentlemen, are we sure we're done with sign we're finished? Last opportunity here today, can't make it any clearer. I'll give you 2 fair goes, third and final time. Are we done? Are we silent? Finished? Are we quiet? Going. Thank you for your bidding. Sold at $841,000. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our buyer, congratulations to our sellers. Sir, and thank you very much for your spirit.
How do you feel right now, both of you?
We're elated.
We're elated.
What
Yes,
a good
beyond
job.
expectations. Yes, it was extremely well done.
and the result is very satisfactory. Place on the whole have been very, very cooperative and have been proactive and not reactive, which to me is important.
Yes, very excited.
Yes.
We can move on with our life.
I
Where are you
would-
guys moving to?
We're going to Hendra,
Hendra.
just outside
Yeah.
Ascot.
And we would definitely recommend Owen and his crew for anybody else that wishes to sell their property. The service has been tremendous.
What a pleasure to serve you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys.
very much.
Thank
All right.
you.
Have a fantastic day. Crack open the champagne. All right.